Welcome to the India Innovation Centre for Graphene, IICG, a place where you discover the wonders of graphene and 2D materials in product development. India Innovation Centre for Graphene is a research and development centre jointly funded by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India and the Government of Kerala to explore the journey of product development from a technology readiness level of 1 to 6. As the first centre of excellence in graphene and 2D materials, this centre, with an overall outlay of Rs 8,641 lakhs, will be implemented jointly by Digital University Kerala and Centre for Materials for Electronics Technology, Government of India in Kochi, along with industry partner Tata Steel. As the first centre of excellence in graphene in the country, this centre is expected to undertake R&D, product innovation and capacity building activities in graphene and other 2D material systems for sensors and actuators, energy storage and harvesting, graphene, CMOS integration and wearable devices to develop indigenous technology, products, intellectual property rights and trained manpower. The Digital University Kerala is given the responsibility of constructing the clean rooms through the funding from Government of Kerala. The proposed space to develop clean rooms at the ground floor of a 4-floor existing building. Total clean room laboratory area is approximately 405 square meter. The clean room shall conform to Class 100, Class 1000 and Class 1 lakh in operational condition. The stacked utilities building is positioned adjacent to the parent building. Process services are routed beneath the roadway separating the stacked utilities building from the clean room parent building in reinforced concrete trenches. The utilities building will specifically house the central and process utilities plant supporting the IICG clean room. The diesel generator set with a storage tank is placed adjacent to the utility building. All the utilities like electrical panels, gas bank, BMS control room, chillers with pump house are placed in utility buildings. India Innovation Centre for Graphene, unleashing tomorrow, pioneering graphene innovations.